Hi guys, it's a boy Mentor the Great. Today we are going to enter into the phase 2 of the package Master Your Calculator. Today we're going to look into standard form and decimal places, how to convert numbers to standard form using your calculator, and how to fix numbers to certain number of decimal places using your scientific calculator. Okay, let's get down to business. Example 1. Convert the following to standard form. So when you talk of standard form, you're talking about scientific form. So this XCI means scientific form. So that's the function you subject your calculator to. Now watch as we commence. So the first thing you do basically is to put your calculator into scientific mode. That's the standard form. Now how do we go about it? Then shift and mode button, you enter setup. As you can see, there is a setup above this button. You can see setup there. So it of course is a function of shift. So shift and mode will show you that setup menu. Then you watch at number 7, you will see SCI, that is scientific form. Then you hit on number 7. You hit on number 7, then to show you 0 to 9. This 0 to 9 is how many significant digits do you have in your question. As you can see, A, we have 1, 2, 3 significant digits in this question, so you must place it at 3 significant digits. So immediately you see 0 to 9, the next thing you do is hit on number 3. Hit on number 3. Definitely when you hit on number 3, everything will clear. Then you can now put the particular number you want to convert to standard form. Then we now have 0.00567. that's it, equal to. Then to show you in fraction, then you hit on this button SD to bring it back to normal. So you can see the answer is 5.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 3, and that's what we have here as the answer. Then the second one says 5236700 to standard form. As you can see, the number of significant digits we can see here is 5 in number, 1 2 3 4 5. So we initiate the process all from the beginning. So we have shift and okay, let's delete, reset it. So shift and mode, we have the signs at number 7. Then we 0 to 9, since we have 5 significant digits here, click on 5. Then it's ready. Then I can now put the numbers 5 2 3 6. We have 5 2 3 6 5 2 3 6 7 0 0. That's the question. Then equal to, and equal to, as you can see, we have 5.2367 times 10 raised to the power 6, and that is what we have here as a standard form. Then watch number C part of it. It says, that's the C part of the question. It says express the product of 0.06 and 0.09 in standard form. Okay, in this case 0.06 has just one significant digit, which is 6, and then 0.09 has just one significant digit, which is also 9. So in total we have 2 significant digits. So if you want to find the product of that, let's use the AC button. Then we have 0. Before we have to set it up to give us standard form using 2 significant digits, because we have just one significant digit in 6 and then the other one 9, so 2 significant digits. So we have shift mode to enter the setup. Then the signs is number 7, 0 to 9. We have number 0 to 9. Of course, we are interested in 2 significant digits. We have number 2. Then immediately we'll now type the numbers 0. We have 0 That's 0.06 multiplied by 0.09. As you can see, the answer is equal to, that's in fraction, you use the SD button to convert it. So as you can see, 5.4 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 exponent rate, as you can see. So that's the answer here. Then when you watch the last thing we have, it says converts the following to 3 decimal places. Then talking about decimal places, we use another different function called fix. That is still a function under setup menu. So we are going to now fix to some decimal places. So what we now do now is shift mode to enter the setup, and number 6, you can see fix at number 6. Let's come again, shift mode, the setup, then number 6, you can see fix there. You hit on button number 6, definitely you see 0 to 9, and in this case you are interested in some certain decimal places. In this case it's 3 decimal places, so from digits from 0 to 9 you're going to fix only 3. You're going to hit on button number 3 so that the answer will be in 3 decimal places. So I'll hit on button number 3. Definitely the calculator is ready to display whatever thing you do. You hit on button number 3 and it will show you that. So you're going to have the number written 6.71859 equal to, definitely the answer will be in 3 decimal places. 6.719, as you can see, is the answer. Then the second one, we want to fix it to 3 decimal places also. We can have things of already, I mean 3 decimal places. I don't need to initiate the process again. I just have to have 0.07685 equal to, then give me fraction, then I go for XD button to change it. That's 0.077. So the idea of this decimal places is when you're solving when you want to plot your physics graph and you want to compute the values you need to plot, you will use to plot your physics graph. Sometimes these values are expected that you convert them to 2 decimal places at times. Sometimes you have 1 decimal places and you have to use a calculator to be getting the values. So each of the values will be in either 2 decimal places or 1 decimal place, depending on your instructor may tell you to fix all your values you're going to get for the graph in 2 decimal places. Then what you just need to do, instead of you to each value you get, you convert it manually, you can just use your calculator and fix it so that each of the figures you will get will automatically be in 2 decimal places or 1 decimal place. You can actually fix it so that all the numbers you get subsequently will be in 2 decimal places. Also in statistics, when you want to convert, when you want to find standard deviation of some certain figures and you are getting values you're going to put in the table, you might decide to truncate it or approximate those values to some certain decimal place. You might want your value to be in 4 decimal places. Then you have to fix it so that the calculator mode will be ready to give you 4 decimal places, so that everything you'll be getting will definitely be in 4 decimal places. Hope you enjoyed the video. Meet you guys next time. Thank you.